So I've connected this battery. Okay, so it wants to start. So let's check our ground and see if we got any voltage greater than 1/2 volt across the negative battery terminal, and that chassis ground less than 5.1. So we don't have a connection issue, we got a bad starter. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump the relay as well and see what it's doing. So here's your relay location here. Now I was hoping I could give it a little bit of love with a little relay jumper, maybe induce it to kick over, but that's a bad starter right there. We've voltage dropped, look for voltage drop across the ground, power, all that is good. We're gonna put a relay and a starter in this bad boy.